Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today we're going to be making biscuit pudding. And for that, we're going to need about 1 1/4 cup of eggs or egg substitute, 2 cups of milk, cooking spray, a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of butter, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 5 to 6 biscuits already baked. This will be coming from our White House cookbook today. Doesn't seem that hard, so you know the drill, let's go. First step is going to be to break up our biscuits into decent bite-sized chunks and pour in our milk. This is going to sit for 5 minutes until it soaks into the biscuits. And while it's busy doing that, we are going to add our butter, vanilla extract, our eggs, and our cup of sugar together. We're going to mix that until it's creamed together nicely. Alright, after our biscuits have soaked up that milk for the most part, we greased up a 9x9 pan. We're going to pour our remaining milk and biscuits into our pan. Get in there. And then be adding in our egg mixture. Well, I've smoothed over our biscuit mixture, and it will be going into our oven at 350 for 45 minutes. And I'll be back in a little bit to see how it turns out. Well, it's been 45 minutes, and our biscuit pudding is a lovely golden brown on top, and we are going to let this reach room temperature and then scoop up a little and try it out. So, I'll be back in a little. Alright, we've let it go to room temperature. It looks all soft and wonderful and gooey. Best part's here. Let's try it out. Well, I gotta say, this pudding is more savory than sweet. Now, the sugar does come through every once in a while, but it tastes almost like how a pancake does. Like that light, fluffy, just little savory bite of happy. It could probably stand to have some ice cream on top, or a chocolate drizzle, or even fruit. That would be really awesome at this point. But I wanted to try it out plain to see how it would go. Well, you know the drill on things. If you like what you saw, have any comments, have any thoughts, leave me a like, leave me a thought, leave me a comment. And I will see you in the next one.